What's the deal, y'all? This your boy Motor City Neek, man, and I'm checking in with another video. Like I said, man, you know, on my channel, I kind of been, you know what I'm saying, switching stuff up a little bit, doing different type of little vlogs and stuff, you know, in between the winter time and, you know what I'm saying, as soon as the weather started breaking where I could get out to do my car content. But, little thing, a part of my channel that I'm always used to doing that, you know what I'm saying, people probably been noticing, is my unboxing. You know, I'm a huge sneaker fan, man. I love sneakers. I love kicks, and you know, this is just another thing to add a little more substance to my channel. So I got 2 packages in today that I got from 2 sneaker resellers. Well, not resellers, but you know, 2 sneaker distributors. I got another package from Flight Club, and then I also got a package from sneakers, Nike, the sneakers app. That's what it is. Man, I ordered so many gym shoes I be forgetting. So I'm about to show y'all the unboxing of those and stuff. So check these out. All right, y'all, your boy back. Unfortunately, you know, I can't show y'all the packages. You know what I'm saying? They got my information on there. You know what I'm saying? My labels and address and all that. But this box right here is the first box that I'm about to do, which is from Flight Club. So I'm going to open this one first, and then I'm going to open this one second. This one is from sneakers, from Nike. So on to the Flight Club box. Should we get that good cut on? I'm trying to do it with one hand, so there we go. All right. Okay. Nice package. Came real good, came real nice. I like that. It's well protected. My box ain't tore up or damaged or none of that. Like I said, this is from Flight Club. This box right here is from Flight Club. So here you go. Air Jordan 1, High OG. Y'all see it? Now, I'm going to use the box as a little post and a little stand so y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can check the shoe out. Here we go. So, open in the box. Good tissue paper. And here we go. There we go. Ooh, these muscle butter. There you go. And it's got your Flight Club tab. I'm gonna read this to y'all in case y'all checking me out for the first time and you don't know how I do my unboxings. It said, do not remove tag. This product has been Flight Club approved. Any claims made after its removal will not be honored. And y'all see it. Oop, focus. There you go. Flight Club. So basically, your little stamp of authenticity, verifying that the shoe legit. Oh man. Oh yeah, these is butter. Oh yeah, super butter. Jordan 1s, baby. That's that Brotherhood Jordan 1. Oh yeah. Nice. Super nice, super nice, super nice. Comes with 2 laces, double laces. I'm gonna sit that one to the side. Go ahead and open this other one up. There we go. Checking out that other one. Ooh, look at that, man. Look at that leather. Got that nice crinkled leather on it. And this is leather, to just let y'all know. See, I'm zooming in on it. That's leather. It looks suede, but it's not. It's actually leather, so. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm satisfied with these. Nice and good. Yeah, I'm happy with these. Nice. Super nice. Once again, like I said, this package is from Flight. right, y'all. That's my unboxing for this Flight Club from Retro. I said this Flight Club for Retro One. Unfortunately, you know, I don't do no edits or none of that. So, but this is the Retro One I ordered from Flight Club. So now I'm about to go on to the next one, which is the one that I got from the SNKRS app. About to do the unboxing for that shoe. Okay, y'all. On to the next box. This is the box I got from SNKRS. This is my recent pickup from SNKRS. I'm not sure if that means anything, but you know, this is something that they add to the box that came in from SNKRS. So looks like I'm going to open it this way. Unfortunately, my shipping information and all that is on the other side, but I can show y'all from the top. Me opening it. That's with this little tearaway tab. So, yeah, this is my pickup from SNKRS Nike app. There you go. Air Jordan 12. I wear size 11. Ooh, there we go. Nice. Nothing in there. Y'all know what I'm good for. Use this on my display platform. Sit this on top of here. Just a traditional Jordan box. This is like the retro 12s, 11s. Anything got that 96, 95, well, more so 96 through 98 year. You know, bringing back that classic Jordan nostalgia. Brown tissue paper. And there they go. Air Jordan 12 playoffs. Ooh. And this is from SNKRS, the Nike SNKRS app. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, nice. Close to OG. I had this shoe every time it came out, from 97 all the way up to now. Yeah, I like that. Looks good, looks good. Yeah, this one was good quality, good pair. Only thing I don't like is the retros don't have the metal tabs no more. See, back in '97, the original, these were actual metal tab clips. These right here, they were metal. But of course, you know, ain't nothing the original if it came out after. So you know, they retro and they putting little plastic clips on them and all that. And they kind of changing the color so they can inflate the prices. But set that one to the side. We'll go check out this other one. Okay. There we go. Oh yeah, looks good. Looks real good. That good carbon fiber. Yeah, there you go. You see that carbon fiber in there. There we go. Good carbon fiber. Yeah, there you go. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Yeah, looking good. All right, y'all. This is your boy, Motor City Neek, man. These was my 2 pickups for today. They just came in today. I ordered these. I ordered these when they came out last weekend, and then I just recently ordered these about a week ago. So I got both of my shoes in. The Flight Club order came good. It actually came quick, man. My previous order from Flight Club seemed like it took forever, but this pair came pretty fast, came real fast. So I was able to get this one real quick. I take that back. I didn't order this a week ago. I ordered this one a couple days ago because I paid for next day shipping. So I got this one actually in like less than a day. So I take that back. This one is the one that I ordered last week, and it just now came today. So I got both of my shoes in, man. I'm happy about them. Hella excited, man. You know me, I'm a big sneakerhead, so I'm definitely one to go after classic nostalgia shoes. I love the 12s. I had the 12s a couple times, so you know, I'm hands down happy I got both of my shoes. Definitely another heads up or FYI, man. That laser ship company that sneakers and Nike be liking to use, you got to be cautious about them, man, because I've had shoes and packages stolen from them. So definitely stay in tune with your packages, your tracking, stay up to date with it, man, and watch it like crazy, because this is my second time getting this shoe. When I originally hit, when it had dropped, I actually hit and I got it. But the laser shipping company, man, the delivery guy, never delivered my shoe and claimed that he put it on my, said he put it on the doorstep. But it's funny that they don't have no verification picture or proof of delivery at all. It didn't take nothing. And then said he delivered my package at 10 o'clock at night. I'm like, what delivery company, delivers at 10 o'clock at night? So that was a mishap with that. But, Nike is a good company, so I was able to get refunded for my money. But, unfortunately, after paying retail for a shoe, I had to actually pay resale to get this shoe. So, I'm happy I got it because I really want it. And I think this is just going to be a exclusive sleeper that people are kind of sleeping on. So I'm happy I got that joint. But, yeah, Flight Club, man, I love them. They're a great company. So I love them. I ordered from them back in the day, and I always order from them now. So, yeah, once again, I'm happy I got that. And then happy I got my Jordan 12. So these are my 2 recent pickups, man. So, if this your first time checking your boy out, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe. Join that Motor City crew, man. I'm a car guy. So, this is like a car channel, but, I also mix in a little bit different things in there just to kind of break it up, give a little different side of who I am and what I'm into. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell, man, so you stay up to date with everything I got going on. But once again, man, it's your boy, Motor City Neek. I'm checking out with another video. Holla at y'all, man. Peace.